This video will walk you through the steps required to update the implement control software on a Salford Precision row crop cultivator. This process should only be done by a Salford dealer that has access to the relevant software files on the Salford Connect dealer portal. Before starting the software update process, you will need to order a software update kit with harnesses that will allow you to connect the implement to your computer. Refer to the software update instructions on the dealer portal for the correct kit part number. You will also need a laptop that uses Windows operating system. To start, you will need to download the software files from the Salford Connect dealer portal. That folder will have two different zipped folders. First, you will need to install the CAN driver software. Unzip the CAN driver installation folder, run the application file, and follow the installation prompts to install the driver. Depending on your organization, this may require assistance from your IT department. Once the CAN driver is installed, you can then unzip the service update package folder. With those files, you can now set the cultivator up for the update. Start by turning power off to the machine and disconnecting the display harness by pulling the red locking tab towards the wires, pushing in the gray tab, and pulling out the connector. Next, locate the branch on the display harness that is labeled CAN 0 Term 1 and remove the cap from said terminal. Now, you will use the software update harness kit to connect your computer to the cultivator. Plug the Y connector into the open terminal. Then plug the CAN adapter harness into the Y connector and ensure the terminator is plugged into the other socket on the Y connector. Plug the CAN to USB connector into the CAN adapter harness. And finally, plug the USB into the laptop with the software update files downloaded on it. The red light on the USB harness should be lit up once it is plugged into the computer. Now, with the harnessing hooked up, turn on power to the machine. On the laptop, return to the folder with the extracted service update package. Within this folder, locate the Run Software Update file, which is a Windows batch file, or BAT. There are several other files within this folder which are used to run the software update, but you will not need to do anything with them. Double-click the software update file to begin the update process. Click Yes on the first pop-up window, and then OK on the second. The update will then automatically begin, and the screen will display the update status as shown. This should take less than 5 minutes to be completed. Once finished, you will see System Update Successful displayed on the screen. Press any key on the keyboard to exit the update program. Disconnect the USB connector from the computer and power off the machine. Now you can plug the in-cab display back into the harness and remove the harnessing used for the update and return the harnessing back to normal operation. After this, you can power the machine back on and verify the software update was successful. Navigate to the Controls page under the Information tab and then verify that the implement module software version is the correct number. Once the implement control software has been updated, the Precision row crop cultivator will be ready for the field.